Here's our top 6 LinkedIn tips to boost your medical practice marketing. With over 190 million users in the United States alone, LinkedIn is a powerful tool for your medical practice marketing. It's the perfect way to reach potential patients and connect with other professionals in your field using social media. Some patients have low trust in main social media channels such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So they go to LinkedIn to verify if you or your healthcare practice is legit or not. LinkedIn is a powerful tool to improve your industry knowledge by connecting to other doctors and staying up to date with the latest trends. To make sure that you maximize this effective social media platform, here's our top tips to market better on LinkedIn for doctors and healthcare practice owners. Showcase your credentials. When patients are searching for a new doctor on Google search or social media, they want to know that they are choosing someone who is qualified and experienced. Showcase your achievements on this social media platform. This can help build trust with potential clients. Boost marketing efforts through networking. In today's world where everyone has become so connected, there are some great benefits but also challenges for us personally because sometimes our old ways don't work anymore. Spend time on your profile picture and banner image. Ideally, you want both to be high-quality images that accurately represent you and your medical practice. That said, it's also important to keep in mind that LinkedIn is a professional network. Use keywords in your profile. You want to make sure potential patients can easily find you and that your medical practice is top of mind. One way to do this is to use keywords in your LinkedIn profile and social media posts. By including relevant keywords, you can ensure that your profile comes up when people are searching for a healthcare provider in your area. Join relevant groups. LinkedIn groups are a great way for medical practices in the same industry or with similar interests to share their insights and experiences. Use rich media in your social media posts. Another way to make sure your content is seen by as many people as possible is to use rich media, such as images, videos, and infographics, in your social media posts. Visual content is becoming increasingly important in the world of medical practice marketing, and that trend is especially true when it comes to marketing for doctors. If you're not using LinkedIn for your marketing strategies, you should be. It's one of the most popular social media sites with a highly engaged user base, and it can be a great place to connect with potential patients for your healthcare practice.